Friends, this is the model image today we are going to use. The first step, you have to go to tools option. Now select the adjust option. Now select the saturation option, and decrease the saturation to -100. Perfect. Now I have to select the eraser on the left side top. Now I have to select the background option here. Simple. Now tap on tick mark. Now I have to select the brightness option and decrease the brightness. Now tap on this contrast option, increase the contrast, and you have to tap on this highlights option, decrease the highlights. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. In the next step, I have to tap on FX. Now I have to select the FX option, FX here. Now scroll this FX to the left. Scroll it to the left. Now select the vignette option, last one. Tap on vignette and keep this vignette to 100 and fade it little bit to around 30, or you can fade it around 50. It will be perfect. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. Now again tap on FX. Now have to select the simple option. Tap on simple option. Now have to scroll it to the left. Scroll it to the left, and you have to select this low-mo option. Tap on low-mo option and decrease this amount to 0, and you have to decrease this vignette to 0 option. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. It will be perfect. The next step, you have to tap on this add photo and select the happy birthday PNG. This is the happy birthday PNG. Simply zoom out. Now scroll it up and you have to select the blend option. Select the blend. Now have to tap on light. Okay, you have to tap on lighten here and zoom out and arrange it perfectly on the top here. You have to arrange it perfectly on the top here. It is perfect. Zoom out. It will be perfect. Now have to tap on this eraser option, and now have to tap on this invert option. Now select the restore option, restore, and increase the size, and you have to start drawing on the right side and on the mark. Okay, finally you have to tap on tick mark. It is perfect. And the next step, you have to go to add photo and select another PNG, background PNG. And this is the PNG. Simply rotate it like this and zoom out, and you have to arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Now decrease little opacity, little, keep it around 80. Now select the eraser option. Now select the invert option. Now select the restore option, and you have to draw it like this around the model image. Okay, you have to draw it like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. You can give little touch up in the tools option and adjust. You have to tap on save, and if you want, you can give a little touch up by going to add photo and select the lighten PNG. Lighten PNG, simply decrease the opacity, and you have to zoom out like this. Now scroll up and you have to select the blend option, and you can make it screen. Okay, it will be perfect. Okay, you have to decrease a little down. Perfect. Squeeze it like this to the left and squeeze it to the left and right. Now tap on tick mark. It is perfect. And the next step, you have to go to tools, tap on adjust. You have to increase a little contrast. Okay, little contrast and saturation as well. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.